Hello everybody, how are we all on this fine pleasant day? Me and my words again. I done that KFC, didn't I? I bought that KFC the other day and I didn't think much of it at all. But it was absolutely horrible, to be honest with you, for like nearly 30 quid or whatever it was. So I thought today I'm going to do Mr. Marinade's KFC. That's what he sent me. I'll leave a link to his description in the description to his shop anyway. And also, plus, he sent me that as well, southern fried gravy one. So KFC theme, let's see how good it is. Okay, so what are you got? Got some chicken 5 fillets, skin removed and that on them. I'm going to use fillets because I think the fillets are nice and juicy. Anyway, so let's have a look at this Kentucky Southern Fry Mix. A crunchy, super tasty coating. Oh, I'll put my glasses on. Perfect for fried chicken at home. Try serving with the Marinade spicy Southern fried gravy, which I got there. That's what I'm going to do. So it just says, dip wet portions of meat or fish into the coating. Press the mix on and leave to stand for 10 or 20 minutes. Deep fry or shallow fry in hot oil, 190 degrees. I'm going to deep fry mine, but I'm also going to test some in the air fryer as well. Because I've got loads there, so I might as well do a couple in the air fryer and see what they come out like. There's the ingredients, if you want to have yourselves a look. Absolutely delicious this stuff is. And let's just show the southern style with herbs and spices. And this one is to make 400 ml of gravy at 40 grams, 5 heaped teaspoons or 2 heaped dessert spoons into 50 ml of cold water. Mix thoroughly until all the powder has dissolved. Top up with 400 ml with boiling water and then stir it. Yeah, I've done that sort of thing before on something else. I can't remember what it was. Anyway, there's all the ingredients. You want to have a look at that one? I'm quite looking forward to this one now. I really am. So first things first, put them out of the way for a minute because I won't need them just yet. I want to get my chicken and I want to cut all the fat off and get them all flattened out a bit. Yeah, I'm just taking a bit of the fat off. Just some of it, that's all. I don't want it too fatty. Bit of the excess, that's all, on each one. Just chop it all up. It'll be a nice easy video this for me, hopefully. Unless anything goes wrong. Okay, I've got a bowl. There's my chicken. And I've just got a plate and I'll just put some parchment paper on there. And then I can go on there to sit then. That's all. So let's open the Kentucky Southern Fried Mix. Let's open that up. I'll get some scissors actually. Yeah, I was really looking forward to that KFC the other day I had. And I was very disappointed. I really was disappointed, especially with the money I spent as well. I'm going to open this. So mate, I'm trying, just a sec. There we go. There it is. Oh, that smells so nice. Ooh. Oh yes. Right, I don't want to waste it, so what I'm going to do, so I don't want to waste more than I need, if you get me. So I'm just going to put like a half a cup full in at a time, and then mix it, and then pile them all on there. Get that one. It says wet, there's no egg, so we'll see, eh? Yeah, it looks alright with no egg. Look, I mean the chicken's wet, like it says. There's one. And I'll do them all, and then we'll see. 2. I'll get them all done anyway for you guys, and then we're going to the next step. And one more. I went back through them first 2 that I've done and patted them down. You say pat it on, which I never with the first 2. I just rubbed it in, but I did go back and do it. It's only a small one that, but There you go. That's all them done, look. They look quite nice, actually. Clean up, onto the next stage. Okay, onto the deep fat frying bit now. Them chickens have been left, 25 minutes. Now we want to get this up to 190 degrees. So I'll turn it on. We'll let it reach temperature. And I'm also going to do some of, I got some of these, if you can see them. Crispy skin on fries in the air fryer from Aldi, £1.85 pence at the minute. I've done it before on my channel. I'll do some of them, and I want to get my other air fryer because I'm going to do one piece of chicken in the air fryer just to see what it comes out like. Anyway, I'm not expecting these to take long in there. Maybe what, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 minutes. I'm not sure. We'll have to check. But then I'm going to leave them to rest anyway on a tray to get all the fat off. So we'll get that up to temperature. I'm going to get some chips in the air fryer now because they're going to take probably, I don't know, however long. That's some of you haven't seen them. They are quite nice actually, they're not too bad. And they do look a little bit like, let me show you actually. They do look a bit like KFC ones. Put a few in there. That'll do. That's them there. Lovely, they'll go in the air fryer. Just getting up to temp now, you probably can't see that. There you go, 190, it's on. I've got the air fryer on, you can probably hear it in the background. Let's get a couple of these in here. So I don't want to cook it too quick anyway. So I want to make sure the chicken's cooked. And I'll do them in batches, and then we'll have a look at the end, won't we? Bubbling away nicely now. Let's have a look how it's coming on. It's getting there. Don't want to mess with it too much. It's still bubbling away. It's getting there though, as you can see, it's turning colour. Want it nice crispy brown, don't we? Look, it's turning slowly. Just going to take your time, that's all. Let's have a look now. They're looking nice and golden, crispy. I'm going to get them out, and I'm going to do the rest. And I'll show you properly at the end. There they are, look. Yeah. Let them drain. I'll get a couple more in. Then I've got 2 left. So I'll carry on doing all them anyway. This second batch is looking a lot better, look. Because they're bigger chickens. And look at that one. So you can use breast, I suppose, can't you? If you cut it in half, you know, with your butterfly it. The air fry ones aren't looking the best. It looks definitely 100 times better in the pan. But I was expecting that anyway. There's the other ones I just took out, look. A lot better, ain't they, than bigger ones. Looking delicious. I'm on to the last 2. The air fry one, let me just show you. Doesn't look nowhere near as good, does it? Nowhere near as good. But hey, I wasn't expecting it to anyway. There's them ones. On to the gravy. All the chicken's done and everything. The fries have done. The air fry one hasn't yet. I've done all them. How many's there? 6. In the time, it took 1 to do in the air fryer. That's mad, ain't it? Anyway, on to the gravy. So we want to make 50 ml of gravy, 400 ml of gravy, add 40 gram, 5 teaspoons into 50 ml of cold water. So I've got 50 ml of cold water. We'll open this up. This is only a 2-minute job, this one is, so. If I can get it. There it is, loads in there, look. Oh, that smells nice as well. Oh, so 5 teaspoons, teaspoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Mix that together to make a sort of a paste. Get all them edges. Get rid of most of the lumps if I can. There we go. Then you've got to add up to 400 ml of hot water into the pan. Easy. Just boiled the kettle. I think that's what it says. Let me just double check. Mix fully into the powder dissolved. Top up to 400 ml with boiling water. Here we go. There we go. 500 ml. Give it a mix. Then get it in a pan and stir continuously for a couple of minutes till it thickens, and that's done. That's the gravy. And if you need to add a bit more, I suppose, seasoning in there, you can just put a bit more in, I suppose. It wouldn't hurt, would it? Get them bits in and just stir. And I'll keep stirring this until it's done. It should only take a couple of minutes. I can't remember what it was, the one I used before. I think it was a curry one, and it only took a couple of minutes to do. Right, I'm up the table. I couldn't show you putting it all together because my side is absolutely full. You probably can't see. I've got the air fryer, and I was just getting in my own way. So I've had to just dish it up. Let me show you, and it does look nice. There's my chips. There's my chicken burger thing, KFC, and there's the gravy. Now with the gravy, I weren't sure whether it's supposed to be thick or thin. So that's like in the middle sort of thing, if you get what I mean. I'm not sure what KFC gravy's like. But hey, that's digging in. Chips anyway. Oh, and let me show you this as well. There's the other one I've had left. The lad's had his. There's the deep fried ones, and there's the air fried one. Look. It looks rubbish, doesn't it? You know what I mean? Doesn't it? And that took as long as it done to do 6 of them or 7 of them, whatever. Mad, ain't it? Mm. Yes, it looks like it's all dried. But it doesn't say anything about doing it in the air fryer. It says about the deep fry. So, anyway, let's... I haven't even got a thumbnail or nothing because I've been... I had no room. So let me get that there somewhere.
You're trash in the kitchen again?
Yeah, look, the state of the place. There's stuff everywhere. Every time. And that's why I got one of these. Clothes are clean. Right, what you thinking, Bab? Well, let's get some cloths. What are you thinking?
That's nice, that is.
Is that nice?
I like the gravy as well.
You like the gravy? I'm going to have a dip of the gravy before I do anything.
It's lovely.
It's for...
That KFC gravy?
Yeah, it's off Mr. Marinade. I presume it says southern gravy thing, so...
That's nice.
Bring you down a bit there. Where are we? There we go. I've never had KFC gravy, ever, so I wouldn't know what it tastes like. So it's just about whether this is nice, that's all.
The burger's nice dipped in it. That's really nice.
Let me try one of these little burgers, these little chickens, in the gravy. The gravy's really nice, isn't it? And it's got a nice little spice as well. Nice little, wasn't it?
Nice.
Right, onto the burger. There it is. I've just put lettuce, like we had, mayo at the bottom, and a bit of cheese on the top. Let's have a crack. What can I get? That's nice, isn't it?
Dip it in the gravy.
I'll dip my burger in the gravy.
I am. That's nice.
Bring it down. Show you me dipping. I've got my lettuce in there, look.
I've just done that.
Who cares, eh, Bab? Who cares? Who cares? Ho, ho, ho.
Yum.
Yum.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. I like that gravy
Yeah.
so much.
That is really nice, isn't it?
It's delicious.
Another banging one from Mr. Marinade. You could probably put more seasoning on it, one. I think that's about perfect. It's not overpowered either. It's not over thickness, is it? Not over battered or whatever you call it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Is it? That's about
Too
perfect.
chunky.
Too chunky.
Lazy.
That's about perfect, isn't it? The taste is delicious.
I like that batter. That's nice.
Not in that one. And it's 100 times better than that rubbish we had the other day, innit?
Oh, that was horrible. That was nasty.
And obviously you wouldn't be chaotic like me when I'm cooking and trying to record. Trying to move the lighting and the cameras and all that stuff. If you're doing it yourself, it's a bonus. But I'll leave a link to his channel. I think that's really good. I haven't used much. There's still loads left. And I don't know what, 7 or 8 chickens? You know what I mean? And you can use breast to make it bigger if you want. Just slice them in half. Or some, what do they call them? Chicken tenders. You can do tenders or anything. Don't do popcorn chicken. Got boiled, innit? Anyway, I'll say delicious. I'm going to go. I'm going live tomorrow. Wednesday, yeah. I'm going live tomorrow. About, I don't know, 1 o'clock, 12:30, 1 o'clock, something like that. So I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm going to get that a 10 out of 10 because I think it's delicious. And these chips are nice and that gravy as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
See you later. Bye-bye. I want you marking it, Bab.
10.
Marking it 10.
10, yeah.
10 for that as well. Well done, Mr. Marinade. See you later. I forgot to say, I'm just tasting this air fryer one. No, it's far too dry in the air fryer. The batter and everything. I'm still trying to eat it. No, it's better to do deep fry or shallow fry. You probably just, yeah, I know I've got some seasonings down there that you can do in the air fryer. But this one, I wouldn't bother. Shallow fry or deep fry, and it's delicious. See you later. I don't eat this at the air fryer, it's too...
It's been chewed for about 10 minutes.